Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add Venmo as a payment gateway or payment method for your Shopify online store. So whenever a consumer or any of your customers decide to buy a product from your store, they now have the option to use Venmo to split their payments. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually add this payment method to your store is quite simple. And assuming that you guys are already on Shopify, and this is what the dashboard looks like. We're looking to get access to the payments tab. So you can get there by clicking on settings, like so. And right between the users and permissions and checkout tab, you'll see payments. So when you click on this whole new window pops up. And here you get to choose which service providers you want to add to your Shopify store. Or if you want to be more specific about the payment methods, you can do so too. So it's this option right here that says add a payment method. So we're going to click on this, and you have two options being search by payment method or search by provider. Now, if you guys go here to type Venmo, you'll see that it doesn't actually show up, and that's because it's a payment method that's tied to one of the platforms called 2C2P. So it's this one right here. So if you guys go to use 2C2P, you'll see that they have multi-support for all types of payment methods and gateways, including Venmo. So you can see there's Visa, there's MasterCard, American Express, the Discover Card, JCB, Diners Club, Union Pay, Visa, Electron, and so many more. So Venmo is definitely part of this payment method right here. And to actually install it is quite simple. Just click on 2C2P, just like that. And I actually already have this installed. And to actually install this, this would say install. So just click on it, activate it, and you guys are done. That's it. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.